All right, this is Pizzazz page 79. And this is all about dividing using the quotient power with scientific notation. So let's just do one from each column together. And I think that'll be enough for you to work by yourself. We can do, I was going to do A, but let's do O. It looks a little bit harder. So we're going to do O, which is 4.8 times 10 to the negative 7th over 4 times 10 to the negative 5th. So we're going to break this up into two pieces. We're going to do this math with our calculator, and then we're going to do this math using the law of exponents. So 4.8 divided by 4, if you put that in your calculator, you'll get 1.2. So that one's done. Now this one, we need to use the law of exponents. So the law of exponents says if you're dividing like bases, subtract the exponents. So we're going to keep the 10, and then we take negative 7 minus negative 5. And you can put that in your calculator if you need to. But these two will cancel, and you'll really be left with negative 7 plus positive 5, which is going to be negative 2. But again, use your calculator when you need it. It's there for you to help you. So 1.2 times 10 to the negative 2nd. And that's what we're going to look for. And right here it is. It says who. So O. Okay, I'm reading the instructions here. It says work any problem below. Find your answer in one of the answer box and notice the word next to it. Write this word in the box with the same letter as your problem. I don't see O here. Is it supposed to be D? It is. That's what's happening. Look, it says A, B, C, and then this is a D. It looks like an O. Okay, so we're going to put who in D's spot. So this is a D. Well, I'm glad we did that one together because that letter looks like an O. All right, let's pick one from the next column. And it doesn't matter. How about we pick K? Let's pick K. All right, K says 3 times 10 to the 3rd power divided by 1.5 times 10 to the negative 7th. So we're going to break this up into two separate problems. We're going to work that out, and then we're going to work this out. So 3 divided by 1.5. If you put that in your calculator, you get 0.5. So let me clear that. 3 divided by 1.5. You get 2. I don't know how I got 0.5. I knew that wasn't right. Okay, you get 2. And then this one we're going to have to use the law of exponents. So we keep the 10. And then 3 minus negative 7. So notice 3 minus negative 7. These two are going to cancel out because you have double negatives. And we really get 3 plus 7, which is 10. So this is going to be 10 to the 10th power. Because 3 plus 7 is 10. Okay, all right, one more example, and then I'm going to have you work by yourself. And of course, as always, ask for help. Okay, K is, well, let's look for that answer. 2 times 10, okay, away. So K is going to be away. All right, last column. Let's find, let's do F. Let's do F. Alright, the last one that we're going to do is letter F. And it says 3.5 times 10 to the negative 3 divided by 7 times 10 to the negative 9th. So what we're doing here is we're dividing these two and then these two. When you take 3.5 and divide it by 7, you get 0.5. When you take 10 to the negative third and subtract 10 to the negative, or divide by 10 to the negative 9th, you keep the base and subtract the exponents. Well, these two will cancel, and you'll get 10 to the 6th. But this is not in good format because the decimal has to be after a number between 1 and 9. So we have to hop over once. The easiest way to do these is to rewrite this whole problem in standard form. So if I have to hop to the right 6 places, I'm going to hop once here, and then I'll have to hop 5 more times, and all 5 of those are going to be zeros. So 0.5 times 10 to the 6th is really going to be 500,000, because I'm going to hop once and then I'm going to hop 5 more times. So when I rewrite this in proper scientific notation, I want my decimal to be here, but right now it's here. I've got to count how many hops are in between that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So notice that my answer, I started with this, but I needed to change it to be this. So letter F would be A on the sheet.